Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at KTALnews.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces. This is your Thursday morning forecast update covering some great weather today. Slight chance of rain returning on Friday and Saturday. We're still expecting a cold front will sweep through, and there's still a window here. We could see some strong to severe storms on Saturday, but still a lot of uncertainty to how it's all going to play out. So we'll get you caught up in what to expect through the weekend here. Temperatures in the 30s and 40s this morning. Likely we'll see a few clouds drift through today, but the wind has turned to the south, so we'll start to increase the dew point or the humidity ahead of that weekend cold front. So that may result in just some areas of patchy fog this morning, but you'll notice it's a little more damp out there today, and that's the reason why. Your temperature is comfortable. We'll wind up in the mid 60s this afternoon, so a few degrees warmer than yesterday, and high pressure is scooting out of the way now, so that's opening the door for some of these clouds to roll in today. So we'll be partly cloudy. Probably we'll get a really pretty sunrise and sunset out of those clouds today, and our next storm system that will drive the cold front through is the one kind of emerging there in the Pacific Northwest. That will make its way in Saturday morning. So what we're expecting, there will be a warm front that sweeps through late Friday, and as that warm front kind of stalls out here Friday night, overnight Friday, so Friday night into Saturday morning, we could have a few storms that would mainly be capable of hail, and that would be the risk for these areas north of I-20 Friday night. It's a marginal risk, so a low-end threat for severe weather, and then kind of our standard severe weather level 2 slight risk outlook for much of Arkansas, Texas, as well as Louisiana. That will be Saturday, especially late morning, afternoon hours is when we expect some of those storms will get going. But it's far from what we would call a guarantee here. There's a lot of uncertainty. It's more of a conditional severe weather threat, kind of conditional on the right ingredients lining up, but there's a lot of limiting factors that may kind of help us out on Saturday. So we'll go through time. Again, today we'll just see a few clouds out there. Same thing for Friday. We'll turn mostly cloudy, but we may see just a few scattered showers as that warm front begins to lift across the region. And if we did see any strong thunderstorms, again, it would be Friday night, early Saturday morning here in the northern Arkansas. So Saturday, you'll notice there is some rain, some cloud cover in the morning. That can keep our temperatures cool enough that it does limit the thunderstorms developing. But Futurecast does show this line of storms here developing during the afternoon hours. And wind and hail would be the main threats. Can't rule out maybe a tornado as well. So that's why we just have to keep an eye on the forecast for Saturday. But it does appear that maybe the best ingredients for severe weather will stay just east of the Arklatex here. But again, it is a conditional severe weather threat. So given that uncertainty, just prepare for the worst, review your severe weather safety plans, and just kind of hold off on any outdoor plans for the time being on Saturday. But we'll definitely get the finer details ironed out in the next few days. So just keep checking back for updates, but there is that risk for severe weather, especially midday Saturday. Once that cold front scoots through, we'll have a couple days in the 70s here, but once that front rolls through, we drop into the 50s on Sunday. Kind of a breezy day, so it is going to be cold outside on Sunday, but the breeze will die down. Should get those great 60-degree temperatures back for much of next week.